Welcome to this video guide on how to install third-party applications on your Apple TV. Whether you're looking for official apps or want to explore advanced sideloading techniques, we'll cover the steps you need. To get started, let's look at the standard way to add apps. Navigate to your home screen, open the App Store, browse or search for your desired app, then select it and choose to get it. Enter your Apple ID password if needed, and once the download finishes, you're ready to launch. If you want to install apps not found in the official store, you can use sideloading. This requires a Mac, Xcode developer tools, and a connection to your Apple TV. Please be aware that downloading apps from unofficial sources can present security risks to your device. To sideload using Xcode, connect your Apple TV to your Mac and open a new tvOS project. Add your .ipa file, select your Apple TV as the target, and run the project. You may need to trust your developer certificate in the Apple TV's privacy settings to complete the process. You can also stream content seamlessly using the Apple ecosystem. AirPlay allows you to cast directly from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, while home sharing gives you access to your entire iTunes or music library, keeping your content private within your local network. To use these features, ensure your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. For AirPlay, simply tap the icon on your source device and select your Apple TV. For home sharing, enable it in your computer's music or TV app, then access your library through the computer's app on your television. To wrap up, here are some tips. Regularly update your apps. Be cautious with sideloaded sources. Use folders to keep your screen organized. Consider an external keyboard for easier searching, and restart your Apple TV if you run into minor glitches.